What am I putting on my hair? I'm putting on my hair Meidu Shampoo Black Hair Dye. Okay? Literally, Meidu Black Hair Shampoo Dye. So this is a big bottle of honey because I got a lot of hair. It's a plant-based, basically a temporary. It's a semi-permanent. It's not permanent at all. And I say semi-permanent because, you know, it wears off or your hair grows out. So, but it works good. You see? All right, it takes me forever to get it on my hair, and it's gonna be a minute for it to process. It is a shampoo. Sherry, it's a shampoo. I'm just using, see? It's a shampoo. I just happen to, I use my, well, wait a minute. I use this right here to just apply it. It's a shampoo. It's a shampoo color dye. So it's similar to like a henna. Similar to a henna. It's not henna, but it's plant-based. So there's no harsh chemicals, no peroxide, no anything. It's all plant-based. So see how it lathers up? So now what I'm doing is I'm just gonna make sure that if I miss some spots, and it's okay if I do miss some spots, I just come back and, girl, do it in, guys, do it in 10 days. No big deal. I love to miss the edges. Yeah, I do in the back because I can't have all eyes in every direction. Is the product like the longer you leave it on, the darker it gets? Yes, Sandy, the longer you leave it on, the darker it gets. Well, this is black, so it ain't gonna get no blacker than black. That's funny, right? But it will get darker. So since my hair is very, very, I have coarse hair, meaning coarse curly hair. As you see, I just put this side on. This side is already taking. So I will gauge how long, if this starts getting really black, I know I need to take, I want to rinse it off because I don't want my hairline that black. In the back, I don't care. So I started in the back because the back is the back, right? But the front of the hairline, I don't like to, when it starts getting a little bit darker, too dark, when it starts looking like this, it's time for me to take it off. I don't want it that dark. So I've been taking my time with you guys just because, one, I'm doing a live and you guys want to see it, but this is what I do. This is what I do when I do. Sorry, I'm all out of frame here, but listen, I'm trying to do everything here. All right, so I'm just, look, see it gets all on your arm and it wipes right off. No problem, it wipes right off. Look, see I got it on my neck. Look at this. Boom. It comes off. I'm telling you, it's so forgiving. This right here is a little bit more around my neckline. When I get finished, rinse that out. I just go around my edges like this and just remove it. I don't want my hairline dark like that, so I remove it. Just like that. You guys showing me some love, tap that screen. I need to have like 5,000 likes up here, 5,000. I'm aiming for 5,000. Tap, tap, tap 10 times, okay? Or 20 or 30 or 40, keep going. Cause y'all know y'all need to give me some credit for doing this. This is uncomfortable. Okay, so I'm just wiping a little bit of this off of my edges with just a wet wipe. Thank you, you guys. A little bit got on my ear. Thank you. That's right. Keep it coming because listen, honey, who likes to get up here and do this? Nobody's doing my hair. This is a little hardcore right here, okay? So just for the sake of my hair not being so dark right here around the edges, look, I'm just taking it off. Take it off. And if I see some gray hair, and then I come behind it and put some more on there, it's okay. But actually, since I have a big forehead, I don't mind drawing it out a little bit. You know, it like makes my hairline look like it's more forward. That's a trick. So, don't we like tricks? I think I'm good, guys. I'm gonna go back in and go over this shopping cart again with you guys, so you guys can have some options while this continues to take. Cause that gray hair, honey, she want to be stubborn. See how it's working? Guys, it's working. Ladies, girls, guys, whoever. This one is still going. I'm gonna be looking good today. So I am gonna come back on here and do a live with my hair black, okay? And do some curling for you, because I have 2 amazing curling irons that I put, automatic curlers that I put in the shopping cart, okay? That I put in the shopping cart. Can you guys see all the items I have in the shopping cart? Look, see, look how that's going. Look how that's going, okay? I love it. I love it. Let me make sure I put some down the middle of my head. Hold on. All right. Turn around. Because, you know, I like to miss the center of my head for whatever reason. And back here. I love to miss back here. Okay, it's turning. Yes. Let me look to make sure I didn't spill nothing on this floor. I'm good, y'all. I'm good. This is looking good. It's looking good. Good in the hood. No, I'm not in the hood, but you know what I mean. Let me know you're still here in the chat. I see you were promoting it on one of your posts. Yes. Which one is the best? I can't say which one is the best because I'm demonstrating one right now. So go follow me. Wait, go follow me right here and go look at my post. Okay. So I will say that I did post a video on this right here. And you guys really, really loved that. Actually, this went viral. But I think the product is overseas and I didn't get any credit for that product. So I do have a coupon code for that product. So if you're interested in that product, but you do have to order it and it can take 3 weeks to get it. That one is thicker. It's not as runny as this one. Amazing. But this one is really easy to do. So you guys are all about getting flash deals and saving coins. So listen, try it out first, see how you like it, and buy more. It's good. It's good. Whoever has the deal, they're pretty much the same. It's 3-in-1. It's color shine, moisturizing care, healthy hair. It's got, let me just move my microphone right here. So you wait 15 to 20 minutes, you rinse it out with water. Okay, so it's got ginseng, it's got mushrooms, it's got all kinds of natural, I want to say plant ingredients. So plant ingredients for sure. Okay, so that's what the product has. You can see the description on that. So it's no harsh chemicals at all, at all. What was the other one you just showed? Okay. But this one is overseas, so it's overseas. So you're gonna be paying an arm and a leg for shipping. It takes a long time. Some people say they didn't get it. So listen, this one is amazing. Okay, very, very good. I want to say, I mean, with the difference of what they smell like Let me highlight in the cart so you can you see all the different ones I have in my shopping cart? Because really, I'm telling you, they all are amazing. I haven't found one that wasn't good. It's just I tend to go for what's on sale, okay? And it's all pretty much, if you check the ingredients and how you use it, they're all pretty much similar. So let me just go through the cart again. I'm gonna unpin this one and put Hyper Hair. Hyper Hair is also really good. Let me pin Hyper Hair. Let me take these out the box for you guys. Amazing, black, shiny hair. Now, they have other colors. They have dark brown, they have chestnut, they have red, they have other colors. And I even saw one where they had a silver, like a silver color or something. Yeah, so the different brands offer different things. They got an amazing, gorgeous, like auburn red. There's a red, like burgundy. That's what I was looking for, burgundy. Some of them have different colors. They're amazing. I'm telling you. So now with the red and the browns, you do have to leave them on for a longer period of time for the dye to take. So, or if you have, you know, like myself, I have stubborn grays. So I like to leave it on a little bit longer so that it takes.